So, I've done the vinyl floors. I didn't film much of it. It was a pretty easy process. It just makes it look a bit better, but I had the sheet vinyl I had from work already, and it's pretty much as easy as laying it out. I just scribed one side, so I set the vinyl about here, and then I came along with like a ruler and just marked points the whole way along, and it was cut out to shape. And then on the other side here, I just got a heat gun and just heat it up a little bit, and you can push it in and cut along. So floor's all done and glued in, and we are ready to do the walls today if we're lucky. So we've got the insulation there, which my friend had laying around, that we'll just pack into the walls, and the wood. Try and get it sorted.
The dream. Dream.
Hoppa! Put out one side, and now just use it as a template. We cut this wheel arch a little bit big, but I'm just gonna match it up with the other one, just so when you look in the back it's the same. It'll do. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Dream, the dream, the dream, the dream, the dream, the dream.
A successful day. Took a little bit longer than we thought. We've drilled one side up and just used a million tech screws the whole way around. It will do, so we'll come back tomorrow. We've already got the next bit for the cut, and then we'll just have to cut that last little tiny bit and fix it off and put it in. Woohoo! Today the plan is I'm going to try and do the bed. I've done some mock-up sort of designs on Google SketchUp in 3D, so I have it all planned out. Pretty much the plan for us, 3 vertical posts that are going to be not just posts. We're going to have 3 vertical 400mm high bits of timber that run the whole way down the van. And then on top of that, we're going to have one big flat bit of ply that we're just going to put the mattress on. It should have a little bit of a gap left over on this side, and in here we're going to make like a little cupboard shelving thing that you can open up, get in some storage down there. So that's the plan. I have no idea how it's going to go, but I'll do my best and we'll see how we go. You're getting rigid. Nice.
So what you got to do, can I just give you a bit of, just trying to work it out. No, just do it, walk it up. You walk it up.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, you walk it up, I'll hold it. So just do it. And just go, give it a little bit of speed, don't go too slow. Just sort of, you got to rip it along. No, hang on, I'm right-handed, you want me to do it. Come on, hang on. Bonnie.
I'm just going to do it, eh?
Yeah, but don't do it that way. Can I have a look? Because I'm right-handed. Or why don't you, hang on, why don't you do it this side? Like this, your left.
Go this way, mate.
Alright, do that. Yeah, good. I'm saying you've got to walk down the length of it.
I'm gonna.
Go. Let's talk. What's the call?
I cut the whole floor out, mate.
What do you want, a badge or a chest to pin it on? Perfect. No, that's just such a good cut. How far off this did you want it to be?
8.
It's a boards. Yep, there.
That'll do.
That'll do.
Do you want to grab another Phillips head and play with me?
Yeah.
Huh? What do you mean? Oh, well, there's going to be a third one here. And then the surfboards will sit in there. It's going to be like a drawer. And then I got 2 bits of wood and we're going to put the bed on top. Okay, now we're on to the fun part. So, we had these 3 things standing up and we needed to put a bulkhead just that makes it nice and not moving anywhere. The whole thing's pretty much just eyeball straight. We didn't have anything to measure off in the van or that we wanted to think too hard, so we just kind of eyeballed it. So now we're up to cutting up the board and we're just gonna have 2 boards running and it's gonna be awesome. Man,
There you go.
oh, beautiful. Just a dad and his son screwing in the back of the van. Oh yeah? Go Bonnie, get in there. Aww.
What's wrong, Colin?
Honey.
Anyway, another successful day in the van. We've screwed it all down.
That's Zacky's bitch.
Oh.
Oh my god, what a head. This turned out sick. I got the little mattress that we just had laying around that I've test fitted, but it's all in there. We just need to decide what I want to do down the side, but we made it a little short just because of the wheel well. So the mattress overhangs, but with a little mattress like this, we could just push it up and cut it a little and play with it. It's a good chunk of effort and like so much more fun to work on the van when you have all this progress that just happens. Like it just feels ready to camp, like we could sleep in it now and it's good to go. So it's good to make good headway and leave it at that for now. So, woohoo. We are back, trying to do some pinboarding stuff today on the walls. It's nice to have it all kit out. Just a little bit too short, but I can just have bad posture.
Enough for me.
But enough for her. We're gonna do the pinboarding. I think I like the pinboarding. It's something that I don't want to glue on. I'll just put tech screws, so if I hate it, I can take it off. But it's a little echoey in here, and I think it'll just look nice and feel nice, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know. Schmicko. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Ta-da!
Oh, lovely.
Beautiful. Do we like it?
Yeah.
I think so. I think it looks mint. It fits in awesome. So it's all going, oh, it still is all going good. We had all this bedding and stuff and put a thin mattress in the back, and we've just been using it because you can't go anywhere with a little lockdown we're experiencing with COVID. So we just pretty much set it up so we can sit on it like a chair, and I've just been driving to the beach as per normal, but can't really go camping, so it sort of slowed down a lot once we got the frame done. But just whipping together that little drawer. I bought myself some varnish as well, just so I could give this thing a quick lick of varnish. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I think it'll keep the water from damaging it and stuff, maybe. Who knows, but I'm gonna have a play with it anyway, so tinkering along. We've just started screwing up the pinboard. I just measured up and cut it out, and it's pretty easy. It's just nice and basic. And just screwing it in, and it's going in so well and holding really well, so pretty happy with that. And then I don't have to get glue and get messy and shit, so I'm just screwing it in. Oh my god, she's a surfboard of herself. Absolutely, nice. We are at the end of episode 2. Chelsea's crawling back out of the hole. So we've got a little surfboard cavity. This is gonna be the pull-out kitchen. It's not yet. It's just skateboards and crap that I've put in there. But that's the next sort of process. I'm just using it if you go over to a mate's house for a couple of beers or something. Sleep in the back of the van. Always fun. But there's still lots of little things to do, so there'll definitely be a follow-up video in the future, but just sort of stuff that I can putt along with a little bit more now it's usable. So the plan in the future is I need to do the roof. I think I'm gonna do maybe wood boards, maybe wrap some fabric around the existing roof. As you can see, I'm halfway in the process of doing the roof. The mattress that we have in at the moment is a bit uncomfortable, so under our hips we had to put some extra padding.
That's where that blanket went.
Yeah. So we're gonna put extra padding, but we'll just end up getting a thicker mattress, and we'll also have to cut it to size because the overhang's a little bit annoying. It just sort of slides around. But I don't know, maybe I'll even put some Velcro so it just stays a bit better. I don't know what I'm gonna do down with the cupboards in here, because I sort of just like having an open area to shove whatever I want in there, but again, it might look a bit better finished if it's like a cupboard instead of just a hole. So that's the plan.
Hide the mess.
Hide all the mess. I don't really know in this little area up the front. I don't know if I want to put cupboards here and shelving there, or if I just leave it, because it's the short wheelbase version with the low roof. So just the more room we have, the better, and it's only really ever going to be for weekends, so I don't need a permanent fridge or anything at all. In the future, I'm sure there'll be a follow-up video with the cupboards and stuff done, but I'm in no mad hurry to do it now, and just I'm happy going around, and we'll obviously vlog some trips once they start happening. So lockdown's ending and we'll be going and hitting the road. Woohoo! Woo! Thanks for watching, guys. You better subscribe. Ah!